The relationship between science and religion has always been complex. In the case of Islam, it is especially unique. Faith not only coexisted with the pursuit of knowledge, but often encouraged it. From the very beginning, Islamic tradition emphasized the importance of reflection, observation of nature, and learning as a way to approach truth. Between the 8th and 13th centuries, Islamic civilization experienced a golden age of science. Baghdad, Cordoba, and Damascus became centers of knowledge where Greek, Indian, and Persian works were translated and expanded. Thinkers such as Al-Khwarizmi, founder of algebra, Ibn Sina, medicine and philosophy, Al-Biruni, astronomy, geography, and Ibn al-Haytham, optics, made groundbreaking contributions. Unlike in some cultures, seeking knowledge was seen as a virtuous act in Islam, closely linked with understanding divine order. Key intersections: pursuit of knowledge. Learning is considered a sacred duty. Faith and reason. Truth cannot contradict itself. Order in nature reflects divine wisdom. Mathematics and astronomy. Developed to calculate prayer times, calendars, and directions. Medicine and health. Emphasis on hygiene and well-being spurred medical progress. Islamic science not only preserved ancient knowledge, but also advanced it, leaving a lasting impact on Europe and the wider world. At the same time, tensions existed. Some theologians feared that rational inquiry could distract from spirituality. Debates between philosophers inspired by Aristotle and conservative scholars sometimes slowed scientific development. This duality, harmony and conflict, remains part of Islamic history. Modern science advances rapidly in fields like biotechnology, artificial intelligence, and cosmology. These raise ethical and spiritual questions. How far should humans go in altering nature? And how can discoveries align with faith? Some see conflict between certain scientific theories and religious texts, especially regarding the origins of life and the universe. In some regions, science is even viewed as a Western import, creating barriers. Yet many Muslim scholars argue that studying the universe cannot contradict faith, since both originate from the same truth. Religion addresses meaning and ethics, while science explains mechanisms. When these roles are respected, they complement one another. Today, Islamic principles guide discussions on bioethics, ecology, and sustainability. Education and youth play a central role in bridging tradition with modern knowledge, offering the possibility of a balanced model of progress. Islam and science are not opposites, but two ways of seeking truth. History shows that when they supported each other, societies flourished. When divided, crises followed. The challenge of the future is to strengthen dialogue, finding points of intersection where faith and reason together serve humanity's growth.